Hello folks, today I want to talk to you about, we're on a commercial building inspection here, and but I'm butting up on the roof. But what I really wanted to talk to you about is parapet walls and capping. This here, see the wall here just coming up from the ground, or from the roof up. You can see it like, it's like a half wall going around the perimeter. And it's kind of like, you know, so people don't fall off and trip and whatnot. And actually there is even some OSHA rules which I'm breaking as I speak. So hey, when you hit like and comment, I know I'm breaking the rules. But anyway, this is what I want to talk to you about, is these parapet walls and the capping, because I get asked a lot about the capping. And this is how we used to do it back in the old days. And we'd have this capping going on right here. And it's clay tile, and really hard to find anymore. And it literally is broken and cracked. And just to make sure that, you know, it has... And this is how we keep the cap from leaking. Now I want to show you what happens up here when the cap is leaking. And see, we don't have this anymore. The cap has totally been replaced. But you can see where it's literally deteriorating and coming up and around, and it's separating. But I want to show you even it gets worse when we go down over here. I'm just taking you around the parapet wall here, but I wanted to share with you where I found a spot that was really bad, and it was right here. See, it's been leaking so long. It's been leaking so long that you can see that it's literally the fascia board, and I don't know how much. It's probably this whole wall section is just totally deteriorated and rotted away. This is what happens if you don't have the proper capping or no capping. This is a problem. Hey folks, thank you for watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe, share with your friends. It would really help us a lot by you hitting comments and like and subscribe. That way we can share with more people, and more people can see we don't do this to make any money. We're doing this to help. And you can help us by helping others. Thanks folks. Have a great day. Galloway Building Services. Appreciate you.